I'm D3, and this is the Journey of Life with D3 show. Hey, everybody. Just wanted to show y'all. Went to Wonderland. Got cars out here at the truck stop. It's cold out here, y'all. It's cold, y'all. Y'all see the band is back there covered up. No traffic, y'all. It's just snowing and snowing. I just want to show y'all all the ice. It's the hugest icicle I done seen. I charge my phone up right there sometimes, and that's not working right now. As you can see, it's froze to death. I just knocked the ice away from over it. But yeah, guys, showing y'all all this snow right here behind the building. That's the hugest icicle I've ever seen, y'all. Got another truck out here, y'all, stuck. Got another. They're stuck. You got it, y'all. Yeah. He's out here stuck. They're trying to get him out. We got another trucker here. Got another one stuck. He's trying to get it out, y'all. He's been there for a while. Seems like all of these truckers keep pulling up right here, trying to pull up. They all get stuck in the same spot right here. They pull up trying to run in the store real quick. When they try to pull out, they get stuck right there in that spot. He's been sitting there for a minute trying to get it out. Yeah, he's been there for a long time, trying to get it out. They all get stuck right here at the same spot, y'all. Right here at the truck stop. As you see, it's piles of snow. A lot of truckers and pulled up. And they just here. You see my van, it's completely covered with ice. Completely covered. He's trying to get out. His wheels ain't gonna let him. He's just spinning up there. Yep, he's just spinning in one place. He's just digging a bigger hole than what he's supposed to be. Y'all look at how the back of that truck is shaped. Yeah, he's stuck. That's another one. I just want to show y'all this. Been showing y'all a lot of trucks getting stuck. Just want to show y'all this. A lot of people getting stuck in the snow, y'all. A lot of people getting stuck in this snow. Just want to give y'all some of this good content. Piles of snow everywhere, y'all. Cold, freezing night here. Snowed out. Here at the truck stop. See all the snow. It's completely covered here. I'm showing y'all a lot of truckers, a lot of cars. This trucker right here, he's been there for a while now. As y'all see, he's been sitting there stuck. A lot of people been getting stuck today, y'all. Yesterday, all weekend. This winter snowstorm, blizzard 2026, it hit us hard here. So, it's a lot of snow, a lot of ice. Snow on top of ice. So, it's black ice underneath all of this snow. It's ice. That's why these patches of snow are just more snow is created on top of them because it's ice underneath it. It cannot freeze. I hear the engines keep going. He keep trying to put it in reverse and put it in drive. He's trying to get out. I don't think he's gonna make it, y'all. This ground is completely covered with ice. There he is. He's getting out this time, I think. We're gonna give him a break with the camera. Just wanted to show y'all that. I hear this ground is completely froze, y'all. They say don't leave the house if you don't have to. The blizzard hit us hard here, y'all. Hey everybody. Just want out walking around. Just wanted to show you guys this good content. Get this good content for you guys and show you guys how bad it is out here. Yeah, it really hit us hard, man. You don't see too many cars out. If you do, you see them going really, 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 really slow. As you can see right here. It's so cold out here, y'all. It's done busted the water drain pipe in the ground. It's just overlapsing with water right now. That's the water drain pipe in the ground, the sewer pipe. It is busted. That's how cold it is. Like I said, it's a pretty day out here. Just wanted to get a little footage, show you guys. Car almost told a bump off his car. Off the front of his car trying to run me over. Just wanted to get out and show you guys some of this good footage. Snow, that snow blizzard, that snowstorm blizzard really hit us hard here. See, people are pulling up at the Taco Bell. Taco Bell's closed. People are actually getting out trying to get fast food right now, y'all. Everything's closed around here. See the foot trails, people are already walking. Got a guy on a motorcycle out here, y'all. He's tough. He's a tough. Like I said, we got traffic moved. This is the traffic that's been piled up because the cars are going really, really slow. So these are the cars that have already piled up and just passing by, catching up with the other car. Y'all see all the footsteps. people doing a lot of walking because today is actually the first day. You're seeing somebody out walking, or driving in cars and stuff. You're actually seeing cars move. So, got a couple cars out today moving around, y'all. That ice storm hit us bad. So, a lot of people trying to get out and make up for a lot of stuff they didn't get before. A lot of businesses are taking a loss this weekend, y'all. But you know what they say, no matter where you go, the Mexican restaurants are always gonna be packed. You can always find a Mexican restaurant open. A lot of businesses are taking a loss this weekend. The snow is just booked up. The snow, everything's closed. Cars parked right there. All the icicles around. You can tell they hadn't moved for days. They probably caught a ride with somebody. That's the highway right there, and it's dry. No cars out anywhere. Businesses are closed everywhere. Those businesses over there are closed. You can tell by how quiet it is. The winter storm 2020. Just making the best out of a pretty day. So I can see, trying to show y'all the mountains way up there. They're covered with ice. You see everything's closed. Got a few businesses open. You can see the mountains over there covered in ice. All the way to the top of the store above Walmart. It's just covered in ice, y'all. Got a few people out today out and about. Just getting out, getting some good footage in, y'all. A lot of businesses are closed today. We're up here at Walmart. We just decided to get some footage in, show you guys. Got some big trucks out. A lot of snow, y'all. Y'all see the mountains back behind that? Covered in snow. Completely covered in snow. The mountains back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Got some big trucks out here stuck. They're not going anywhere for a while. Neither is that car, as you can see. Look at how much snow just covered that car up, y'all. At the bottom of the car, look at all of that snow up under it. It's a lot of snow, y'all. Yeah. See the highway behind there? It's just quiet, y'all. There's nobody out. Got these big trucks everywhere parked. Walmart opened up for a couple of hours. You can see the mountains behind Walmart. They're completely covered. Yeah, y'all. Up here at Walmart, you can see the mountains just covered, y'all. It's bad here. Trucks parked everywhere. Walmart just opened up actually for a couple of hours. Someone told me about it. And I actually seen it on the news. A lot of big trucks just out here parked. They're not going anywhere. Tell he's been there for days. No, he's not driving with all that snow all around. See the mountains back there? Completely covered mountains. Completely covered mountains here, y'all. It's got bad, y'all. Got a lot of big trucks just parked. You can tell they haven't been anywhere about. Yeah. It's pretty bad here, y'all. You just up here at Walmart. Want to get some of this good footage in, let y'all see all the snow. Snow-covered mountains behind Walmart, y'all. Hey, everybody. Just want to show you guys the snow. We just returning back to work today. Just want to show you guys all of this snow we got. That's the graveyard back there. Remember I mentioned the graveyard? It is covered. That's the graveyard I was mentioning behind the job site. That's a fence line right there, and it's the other side is the graveyard. Then it's woods all back there and more businesses over there on the other side. There goes the other business, but back here is nothing but woods, as you see. I just wanted to show you guys the Winter Wonderland. I don't know how these big trucks gonna get out here and get it in this. But I see we got a couple trucks. See the deer feet where the deer coming out the woods. A lot of deer tracks. graveyard. Just want to show you guys we're here at work. Just returning back to work, and as you see, the big truck driver, he's already stuck. Yeah, this weather is really taking a toll on everybody, man. Got another big truck driver stuck here at work. Got a little sunlight out today. Business starting to pick back up a little bit, but nobody's really out and about. Got a little of the snow melting, but not enough. Got another big truck driver sitting here stuck in the snow. You see his front wheels right there in the snow. We got the heat on in the building, so it kind of dries off a lot of. It's kind of heating up the ground, so to speak, in the back part right here. But up there where it ain't no heat at, where he's at, oh yeah, you see it. Winter Wonderland, y'all. Another big truck driver stuck. He's trying to get out of there. He's trying to get out of that ice, but it ain't gonna let him. Wheels just turn. Got another truck driver stuck. And they pulled up to the big truck stop with their ATVs and four-wheelers. Saturday morning, sleep off Randy and Bruce. When I hang up the blues, all on my clothes and shoes, learning no boots. From this killer weed that's a fire. Right, yeah. It was more than them up here, y'all. Some of them left. Them white boys cool as hell. They was playing the Young Dolph music. He running right over the mud, the snow pile. They out here having fun, y'all. During this snowstorm 2026, this winter snowstorm blizzard 2026. People just out here enjoying their day, y'all. Enjoying the day. It's cold, y'all see we got all this snow. We still up here at the truck stop, y'all. As you see, it's piles of snow everywhere, y'all. Y'all see they still got the big trucks pulling in, parking everywhere. Y'all see the van. Van is completely covered. The van is completely covered in ice, y'all. The van is completely covered in ice, y'all. Snowed in. Van's completely covered with ice. I just want to show y'all. It's up to the back bumper. It's a lot of ice, y'all. Covered my van up all the way to the bumper at the back and the front. Nothing but ice. Snowed out. 2026 snowstorm, y'all. Got my minivan, got my van covered in ice. Covered in snow and ice.